with every medium, with every platform, I think it's like a new skill. For me, like using social media has been that. Just like I end up like doom scrolling
Yeah.
too easily on platforms. So, and one solution is not to look at all, which is kind of what I lean on mostly these days. But I feel like I should be able to check, just read, okay, feel a thing, learn a thing, and then put it down.
Yeah.
Versus like you get this glazed look over your eye and you're
Yeah.
not really paying attention anymore and you're dead inside and you feel horrible afterwards. I don't understand.
The horrible afterwards is real serious. I've definitely, I can 100% notice that I am a more anxious person the more time I spend scrolling.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can just feel it. It's like something inside of me that's kind of, I don't know how to say it other than it like wants to get out, but I don't really know what that is. It's not anger, but it's not, it's very anxious.
It's like the opposite of the feeling I have when I wake up in the morning and I'm feeling good and I look out in nature and like look at the sun and it's like a bird chirping and this kind of thing. Like scrolling through social media, even if it's like super positive stuff or whatever, it's still not the same feeling as the bird chirping. Bird chirping on Instagram is a different bird chirping than in real life. Like, because bird chirping on Instagram, I'll start swiping until like there's like demons of different types fighting inside my head. And then different anxiety, insecurity, whatever the hell, just the mixture of chaos versus the bird chirping in real life. That's beautiful. But again, that's the same thing as with the audiobook. It boils down to like, man, these people that talk about meditation, I think that's probably they're onto something. Because like that's what it is be able to like focus calmly and deliberately on a thing, whether it's reading or audiobook or existence. When they sort of observe the breath, you're able to silent out everything else, remove everything else from focus. Yeah, that's a skill.
I heard it put really beautifully, which is that we in America really have misunderstood liberty because we typically have liberty as just the freedom to do whatever you want. And the argument was that it's not the freedom to do whatever you want, it's the freedom to be able to do what you will. And how often is what you actually want to do, you don't do because you get trapped doing something that you've convinced yourself in this quick moment you want to do. And so it's like, I want liberty. I want the ability to control my energy and to be able to like do the thing I want to do, not to get distracted and destroyed in all the millions of distractions. And some of us get, handed a worse deck of cards. Some of us get a better deck of cards, but I don't think there's anybody that doesn't struggle with it in the technological age.